With Halaxy, medical practitioners can seamlessly issue prescriptions in 3 ways: electronic, also known as e-scripts, barcode, or paper. This tutorial is for paper prescriptions, where you print the prescription on paper for your patient to present at the pharmacy. This tutorial comes in 2 parts. First, creating the prescription, then publishing and printing it. Let's create the prescription first. In the patient's clinical note, click Add Order. Here you'll need to fill out some details. For order type, select Prescription. Select the ordering practitioner, then click Create. You're now back to the clinical notes screen, where your new prescription record is created. Click the Add a Drug button. In this window, you'll need to fill out some details. If the drug is subsidised by Medicare or DVA, select PBS, RPBS. If it's not, select Private. If the drug you're looking for is unavailable in the database, you can also opt to create and prescribe a custom drug. Search for the drug name and strength needed. Then, fill out the directions for use. Here you can complete either Section A or Section B. If you're filling out Section A, you must complete all the fields. If you're filling out Section B, type out your instructions directly. Fill out the rest of the prescription fields as needed. Depending on the drug prescribed, some fields in this section may be mandatory. When you're ready, click Save. Your prescription is now ready to be published. Now we begin the second part, publishing and printing the prescription. Select the down arrow button on your clinical note and click Publish. Then click Continue. In the pop-up, select Paper as your prescription type. At this point, your prescription is published and ready for printing. If you need to edit the prescription, you'll need to turn your prescription back into a draft. To do this, select the down arrow, then click Revert to turn it back into a draft prescription. Make sure to publish the prescription to save your changes. When all the details are final, select Print. Keep in mind that a paper prescription can still be edited after publishing, but it can no longer be edited once it's been printed. And that is how you create a paper prescription in Halaxy.